Are you ready to take the road less traveled to wealth? Learn how MJ DeMarco proved the American dream was still alive by creating his own rules to riches. We'll uncover the unconventional strategies from his legendary bestseller, The Millionaire Fastlane, that allowed him to ditch the 9-to-5 rat race and hit the open highway of financial freedom. Forget getting a job. Build a business. One of the most important lessons from The Millionaire Fastlane is that having a job will never make you rich. While jobs provide stability and a paycheck, they put limits on your income and don't allow true financial freedom. As MJ DeMarco puts it, jobs are for suckers who are afraid to take risks. The true path to riches is building your own business, whether that's starting an LLC, becoming a consultant, launching an online store, anything where the money flows directly to you instead of a boss. As the owner and creator, you control your destiny and reap unlimited rewards from your effort. While starting a business requires guts and grind, it's the only road that can bring lifetime wealth and prosperity. As DeMarco reveals, the millionaires drive the fast lane while everyone else is stuck in the slow lane of employment. Are you ready to shift gears and step on the gas toward entrepreneurial success? Avoid the rat race. Focus on royalty check. Most people are stuck in the rat race of working long hours for limited pay, trading time for money. But as any rich person knows, that's not a sustainable model for building lasting wealth. As DeMarco teaches, true millionaires earn income through royalty check, setting up systems where the money rolls in whether they're actively working or not. These systems could include rental properties, online courses, software/app, membership sites, and more. The focus shifts from trading hours for dollars to creating assets and intellectual property that generate passive income on autopilot. It requires upfront work to establish the dynasty, but then the riches keep flowing year after year with minimal ongoing effort. Freedom and fortune are just a few royalty checks away. Are you ready to shift your mindset from rat to royalty? Choose one leveraged model and scale it to 7 figures. Most people diffuse their efforts across many smaller ventures, never truly focusing on scaling any one idea. But as DeMarco stresses, you must concentrate all firepower into leveraging one proven business model well beyond 6 figures. The millionaire chooses a leveraged platform like website development, niche e-commerce, or software as a service, then aggressively grows it through systems, partnerships, and automation. Volume, efficiency, and compound interest become your allies as the money piles up exponentially. While variety sounds appealing, specialization is key to fortune. The millionaire home runs are hit by mastering one category, not dabbling in many. It's time to pick your specialized niche and take it international with intensity, strategy, and grit. Strap in, your millionaire ride awaits down the fast lane. Partner for profits but own the asset. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of bringing on partners too early, giving away valuable equity before truly testing an idea. But as DeMarco advises, you must prove concepts yourselves through the initial sweat before teaming up. Then, when partnering is prudent, structure deals favorably through service agreements instead of ownership shares. Pay partners well for the work they provide while keeping ownership and control of the core business assets yourself. This maintains upside potential while motivating others. Done right, partnerships exponentially grow your efforts without diluting your stake. The millionaires leverage others' talents to turbocharge their empires. Without traders, their crowns. It's time to be strategic about how and when to align without compromising your stake in the driver's seat. Invest to build wealth, not for short-term gains. Most people treat the stock market like a casino, chasing quick riches through reckless speculation. But as DeMarco counsels, investing is a long game that demands patience above all else. The millionaire views investment not as gambling but as a disciplined way to put money to work, compounding wealth over decades. They invest primarily in stable, dividend-paying companies and real estate funds designed for consistent, set it and forget it returns. Sure, some short-term trading works out, but gambling with hard-earned capital rarely ends well. Millionaires focus on conservatively growing their fortunes over generations instead of getting rich overnight. The slow and steady wins this investing race towards retirement and legacy wealth. Are you investing for longevity or lottery tickets? Shift to the millionaire mindset and let true wealth unfold over the long haul. Leverage debt strategically, not recklessly. Conventional wisdom tells people to avoid debt like the plague. But millionaires understand that debt, properly utilized, can be a potent tool for magnifying returns. As DeMarco teaches, the wise use leverage strategically to acquire income-producing assets earlier in life. Things like investment real estate, equipment financing for businesses, even leverage in stocks, all allow multiplying money through other people's capital. Only using others' money on assets proven to generate returns well above interest costs. Millionaires treat debt as a tool, not a crutch, timing it intelligently to supercharge growth. Are you debt-free but fortune-free too? It may be time to open your mind, sharpen your tools, and start using leverage as leverage to rocket ahead on the wealth escalator. Automate everything to achieve lifestyle business freedom. Once proven models are established, the millionaire's goal shifts to automating systems for hands-off operations and recurring income. Whether routinizing tasks, outsourcing non-core work, or developing software content products that sell themselves, millionaires implement the deepest levels of automation possible. This allows focusing more on high-level strategy while lifestyle business continues humming profitably on autopilot. Automation fosters infinite scalability as well as the most coveted prize of all, complete independence. No boss, no clock, no limitations, just self-imposed activities on your terms full-time or not at all. DeMarco calls this the holy grail of true wealth and success. Are you ready to design, delegate, and deploy automation ruthlessly to achieve the millionaire's ultimate reward? Freedom. Spend and save intelligently. Once on the Millionaire Fastlane, it's easy to get caught up in material reward, but DeMarco stresses maintaining focus. Living well below means even after achieving 7 figures. The millionaire understands that extravagance hinders scaling, while frugality supercharges savings rates. They deploy the 80-20th principle, spending just 20% lavishly on things that matter, then funneling 80% of profits back into multiplying money through further investment, education, and expansion. This compounds net worth at dazzling speeds that job incomes could never match. Live lavishly when you're 75, not 25. Let compound interest work its richest magic by delaying pleasure today for true financial freedom tomorrow. Frugality, prudence, and delayed gratification. Not luck, but the millionaire's secret to limitless affluence. Constantly evolve your knowledge, network, and skills. The millionaire understands they must regularly sharpen the saw and fill their toolkit with new expertise. Once a model is producing substantial cash flow, they dive into advanced education relentlessly. They network proactively with other millionaires to gain exposure to even bigger ideas. They embrace emerging digital trends before competitors to stay cutting edge. Growth never stops because any limit threatens eventual stagnation. Relentless self-improvement becomes a core habit alongside business building. Millionaires know enduring wealth depends on constantly expanding their circle of competence, refining existing talent portfolio while adding wholly new skills. The Millionaire Fastlane never reaches a final destination. There's always more mountains to scale. Make evolution your lifestyle for perpetual prosperity. Master your mind, manage your time. Follow your passions. While skills, systems, and strategies matter greatly, DeMarco emphasizes that the ultimate differentiator is mind mastery, developing the right mental software and habits for success. This includes laser focus, grit, perseverance, and positivity even in the face of setbacks. It means guarding your time fiercely as the most valuable currency, saying no liberally to protect focus. It entails pursuing ventures linked to authentic passion above just money, energizing every effort. Millionaires follow cues from within, not validation without. Executing on dreams with joyful intensity, they balance ambition with self-care, work with play. Mastery of the mind leads to mastery of all domains. With passion-powered purpose and diamond-hard principles, you can drive your dreams down the Millionaire Fastlane freely and forever. To kickstart your ride down the road to riches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this game-changing video with friends ready to break free.